welcome back to another video on Budget with Soph. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel we do budgeting, we do cash stuffing, we save our coins, and we see where our money goes. Now for today's video, we are a little late. This is budgeting and cash stuffing for paycheck number 2. I was paid August 16th, but there has been a bit of stuff going on, so yeah, let's just get into the video because I am doing this video before work today and we don't have a lot of time, so let's just get into it. So we are in the month of August. As you can see, we are getting paid 3 times this month, so we are doing the second paycheck of August. We did not close out paycheck 1 yet, but we will go over that in another video after this video. So let's cash stuff first since we are late. It is Monday the 26th, so I am a little late. Yeah, so a whole week late, but we do have the cash stuff. So yeah, let's just get into it. I'm gonna put this to the side and we are gonna get out our budget notebook, DIY budget notebook, and we're gonna hop into August. So we have paycheck 1 here and we are doing paycheck number 2. So paycheck number 2 is gonna go from August 16th to the 29th. All right, so let's go. Now, where is this stickers? Let's see, where did I put those? All right, so income. So we're gonna do full-time and side hustle. I have not been doing a lot of side hustle, but I still put it down just in case. I never know what happens during the month, so it's always to put a just in case kind of thing. I did side hustle, so we are expecting a little bit of side hustle, so yeah. So we are gonna go into what we will be doing with our cash for this paycheck. All right, so we do have rent. We pay rent every paycheck. Rent is due, even though it will be late, but it is due. We have Prime that we will be paying. We have Netflix. We also have gas. We also have T-Mobile. That is my cell phone. And HP. And guys, I finally got my dress for the wedding, and we were ordering from Zazie, so I did a Klarna. So it's gonna be paid by Klarna. I split it up, and of course we do have our groceries, car gas, personal, beauty, pet care, dining out, miscellaneous, household, August, 26 weeks, 52 weeks, sinking funds, and savings. All right, so that is what our budget is looking like for the for the second paycheck in August. I am gonna be doing at least 3 payments for Zazie. I believe it's 3, but yeah. So let's get into how much everything is going to be. So rent is typically $500. Prime, we are going to be paying 15 something, but I'm gonna put $16. Netflix is going to be 17, expected 17. Gas is 55. Ooh, I missed one. My credit one is 55, not my gas. So I did miss one. I'll put it down on the bottom. It doesn't matter. Gas is $115. T-Mobile, I had to split it up into 2 payments, so I believe one payment will be $88. HP is a little less than $6, but I will be putting $6. And Azazi is going to be a payment of $38, around $38. It might be a little more, I'm not 100%. I gotta double check that. Groceries is always $80. Gas is going to be $20. Personal is $10. Beauty is $20. Pet care is $20. Dining out is $25. Miscellaneous is $10. Household is $10. No, $20. We do have one more paycheck for this month, but a lot of the money will be going towards our bills in the beginning of the month, since the next paycheck is not going to be for another while. So yeah, 26 weeks is getting $32. 52 weeks is getting $45. Should be getting $45. Sinking funds, we do $50, and savings we're going to do $100. So the last what I forgot to write is my credit one. So I'm just going to take this off, put it here. And it's going to be 55. And this is for my credit one. I'm going to put black. Credit one, black. All right, so that is what our paycheck 2 should look like. It might be completely different because you never know what will happen. We're just going to add up everything. So our paycheck should be around $1,292. All right, guys. So that is how much we will expect. $1,295. I'm gonna put that. Side hustle. We're gonna put $150. So we're gonna add those two together. And this would equal to $1,445 for the paycheck number 2. All right, guys. So I'm not sure if all of this makes sense to you, but we are going to hop into our cash stuffing. So here we have our cash. So let's see how much we will be cash stuffing today. We have 100, 50. We have 2, 4, 4, 45, 50. So 200. 200 and 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, and 63. So 263 for our paycheck cash stuffing for the month, for paycheck number 2 of August. So as you can see, we have $100 here. We will be switching that out. I am going into first my monthly, and we are going to switch out April, I believe, because that was $100. Yep, April. So we have 50, 20, 40, 45, and 50. So $100 into April, and April is done. May, we have $290. Let's see if we can switch this out. So we have 52, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 85, 90, 95, 100. So we're gonna switch that out too. 2, 4, 6, 8, 85, 90, 95, 100. So we're gonna have this much in here. I'm not gonna switch out the rest of it. Just gonna leave this as that. But May looks like it's almost done. I haven't really added anything to any of my monthly. So yeah, let's get into our cash stuffing. Let's get our wallet. We always start with our wallet. So the wallet looks like this. Groceries will be getting $80. So 2, 4, 6, 8. I'm not even gonna switch out anything. It was gonna be a 50 and 20 and a 10 for 80, but groceries is getting $80. Gas is going to get 20. Personal is going to get 10, 5, and 10. Beauty is going to get 20. Yep. Pet care is going to get 20. Dining out is going to get 25. So we're gonna take this 10 out and do 20 and a 5. Miscellaneous is going to stay with this 10 here, and household is going to get a 20. So let's see what's in here. $5, $10, $15. We're just gonna put another 5 for 20. So that is it for our wallets. Let's get into our savings because I have not added anything into my savings. So we're gonna do that. First things first, we are going to go into our 26 weeks. 26 weeks is getting $32. 5, 15, 20, 25, 30, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 2. So $32 is going into our 26 weeks. We have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So 217 in our 26 weeks. And for the rest of the money, we are going to go back into our savings challenge, and it's going to, well, our monthly savings, and we're going to get 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, and 62. That is just how I'm going to do it because I have been slacking with my monthly and I really want to finish this. So let's see. So let's just go into August. August is $151. So we have the $61 going into into August, okay? $61 going into August, and that will be it for our cash stuffing for this paycheck number 2. If you guys like what you see, do go ahead and comment down below. We did our monthly binder, we did our wallet, and we did some savings challenges. So that is it for our video today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.